Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Priscah Sagati. I'm glad you always back to support me. You always there for me. And please guys, if it's your first time here, consider subscribing to this channel. And please, let's support this mother, this girl. Let's support this mother, this girl. Support me and I'll keep you updated. And it's been some months before I posted. It's because my phone broke, so I had to look for money to fix the screen. It could not touch. You know, I record using my phone. So today guys, I'm going to do my eyebrows. To keep the long story short, I don't have to talk too much, so let me just dive into the point. So I'm going to do my brows. You can see I have very few eyebrows, and for a lady to have that confidence to go out there, your brows must be on fleek, eh? So I always train myself how to do brows, so I thought I should show you. Maybe I should teach you, but I'm not an expert in eyebrows. I'm just trying to do it my own way. Yeah, so I don't do this I don't know those measurements, but I do it my own way. So please, let's go on. And with me, I have a concealer. For you to have flawless eyebrows, you have to go with a concealer. It's a pro concealer, and you have to go with an eye pencil. This is a black eye pencil, and I have a brown eye pencil here with me, and some oil, but you can trim first. But me, I had trimmed my brows. They are very few. You cannot even realize they are trimmed. You can see. So okay, let's begin. First of all, make sure your pencil is sharp. You sharpen it, and the brown pencil should also be sharp. With me, I have a brush. This is a toothbrush, but it's a wasted one. So instead of throwing it away, I decided to take it and use it in brushing my eyebrows upwards. You brush to the upper motion, an upper motion, or an upward motion. I don't know how you call it. It depends with your English teacher. So I take some little oil. This is a lip balm. I prefer using lip balm, and push them upward this way. Very little oil. If you don't like oil, you can use soap. Soap is the best. Then comb upwards. You can see I'm combing upwards. After that, I draw using my brown pen. So I'll use this mirror of mine. Yeah, it's just here. So I draw the line from here to here, then here to here. You can see I'm drawing this one from here, then this one, and the lower part I'm also drawing it that way. You can see at least it's appearing, something is appearing. Then I'll draw this one here, there, then the upper one there, and I join it there. The benefits of using a brown pencil: it's easy to rub, and it does not shout. If you're a beginner, if you don't know, like me for example, if you're not an expert in eyebrows, you can use a brown pencil. It does not shout, and it does not show that you don't know how to apply it. Like us. You can see I've joined there. and there. After reaching here, you can just use your eye to know where. Then you come down just a little bit, and this side. For example, this brown pencil, you can see it here up on the upper side, but it does not shout. If it was a black one, my friend, it could have shouted so much. So I'm fixing here. And here comes the black pencil. So the black pencil, you begin feeling the outer side, from the outer side. So like me here, let me show you how I'm going to feel. From here, this corner, just slightly, you feel slightly. It's like you're drawing some brows to the inner part, from the outer part to the inner part. You can see. And this side also, I'm drawing from the outer. You see, I did not draw from here to here. I'm drawing from here, feeling, coming inside that. So I don't reach here, I won't reach here. So this one and this one, for you to know where they should reach, you should measure this one here. You see, so it should be somewhere here. You see that gap you've left, and this. So I have used a black one to draw where my brow should reach. So now I'll use this brown one to join here, this side and this one, you see, and this side. You use this nose bridge to know where your brow should reach, because you don't expect my eyebrows should come till here. You know, they are very thin. So I think you can see something is popping, and I come in again with my brush. I told you I use a toothbrush, so don't mind me. I comb it off this way, you see. So I have used my brush to wipe it out, you see. So I've seen some mistake somewhere, and I'll feel it here on the upper part and this upper part, the brown one. Please, 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 let me put this straight. The black one should come here sana sana, nyeusi iwe hapa hivi sana huku kando, but hii brown, this one ije huku ndani. So if you use this black by itself, it will disappoint you. It will be too much, it will shout. So feel it here. If you use the brown, it won't be clear, it won't be seen clearly. So you feel the black here, then the brown inside, please. So I've said I'm talking too much, naongea sana. Sasa tunakuja kwa concealer. Tukikuja kwa concealer, we wipe it out. For example, me, you can see I'm wiping it out. I'm wiping it out on my hand. Wipe, 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 wipe. I wipe. Then take a little bit. You can see. So time for the concealer. With my mirror here. Let's see. Mom, nafanya video. Alafu ni bebe wewe. So mama. So I'm filling in the concealer. told you it's step by step. I'm not cutting anything out. Say anything or anything. Hey, Mama Teresa. So I come in with the sponge, this sponge. I could use the brush, but this is not the perfect brush for brows, you see. So I come in with this sponge. I made it by myself, don't mind me. I rub upwards in an upward motion, and this side in a downward motion. We do the same to this one. Remember, the concealer dries out very quickly. In an upward motion. It's like you're wiping it out, but not really. You're trying to fix. Please let me use my mirror. So when you see your concealer has just popped in, sijui hata vile nitawaelezea. Ukiona hiki concealer kimekuja huku ndani, unachukua eye pencil ya brown, unapanguza hivi. Unapanguzia na hii side pia. Usipanguze kwenda nje, ndani tu. Na kisha tu umepita hapo kwa mstari. So, unaona hapa. Kama hapa for example, naona haikuwa straight. So nimepitisha hivyo kikonsila changu. Nitakuja tena na kikonsila kingine nijaze hapa chini. At least ndio hizo brows zionekane. Na hii side pia. Sio huku, hii side I'm rubbing. And this nose bridge. I do it that way. Being said and done, guys, I think you are seeing something. There's a big difference the way I was before the eyebrows and now. So I've just come to the end of the video, and please consider subscribing, and if you think I'm doing a good job by posting on YouTube and by drawing these brows, if you think they are nice, please give me a thumbs up, a like, and leave a sweet comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you've not, and tell your friend to subscribe to my channel. I think I'm below even 100 subscribers, and please support me. Let me grow, just let me grow, please.